Hi, it's Brad. So here's our next project. We're going to take this porch roof out and we're going to grab the concrete, throw it away. We're going to throw away all of this laundry room, and the concrete step all goes away. The roof stays. And then we're going to build it out to this line right here where the posts are. And so we're going to push out the laundry room. We're going to push it out this way, put a closet right here. The entrance will still be deep. This window here stays. The entrance, so it'll still be a porch right here. You'll be able to come in. And then this was an addition years and years ago. So we got all this out. This is all gone. New footing and foundation, new floor, new insulation, wiring and plumbing. So all this is going to be gone. And this is just found this old window in the wall. So the bathroom goes here. The washer and dryer, hot water tank. The closet goes in this spot. The door stays, and we're going to open up this door. Instead of a door, it'll be a doorway or a passageway. So that's a current project. And be all brand new again from bottom up, except for the roof.